Time is the biggest currency that we have in this world. I think that a lot of times we tend to take it for granted.
Time is a parameter that holds our lives in place.
My name is Carlos Roberto. I'm a fashion designer / social media entrepreneur.
My name is Jordan O'Brien, and I'm a menswear and fashion content creator on Instagram and YouTube. Carlos and I initially began working together because of our passion and interest in everything around style and fashion.
I met Jordan O'Brien in 2014. We were both very intrigued and interested on how we were running one another's platforms. We help each other by mentoring one another, giving each other guidance.
We are each other's creative director, videographer, and the flow of ideas is just endless when it comes to creating content for ourselves and for brands.
I try not to take time for granted, so I do tend to know my time because I do find it very valuable.
The way I look at it is if I spend enough time perfecting my craft, researching and expanding my knowledge, then ultimately I've improved the quality of my work, my life, and my time.
I'm always on the clock because, simply put, time is valuable. There's always something you can be doing at any time of the day that is going to help benefit you and your craft. If you really think about it, there's only 24 hours in a day. You can either fight it, embrace it, but either way, time is ticking.